The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Roll it! You'll be open to getting ideas from, say, from magazines, from films, from music. You can get ideas from going to a museum. Ideas come from the streets, right? So I want you to start a journal. A fashion journal. Think of it like a diary of ideas. So I want you to buy a notebook. Go to your local art supply store and buy a notebook. Blank pages and start collecting ideas. This will be a pool of inspiration. It could be sketches, it could be pictures, it can be poems, it could be words. Yes, even words. For example, if I say to you the word Renaissance, right? So you have a visual, you know what that period in history was, and you can create a design a collection based on that word. One way to put all these ideas and inspiration together into one page is to create a collage. This in the industry is known as a mood board or an inspiration board. Here are some examples of mood boards. As you can see, they're all different. There's no two alike. It's really a form of self-expression, your self-expression. So what I want you to do is to look at magazines and start cutting out images that inspire you. Not just pictures from magazines, but also things that you like. Maybe you'll come across a button that you really like, that really inspires you, or a piece of fabric, or a swatch, or a flower, or a petal. This is the foundation of your collection development and of your creative process. So we've got some work to do. You've got some work to do, okay? So let's get to work. I will see you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.